Hey everybody, I'm a teacher for computer science and I want you to present a teaching project that deals with the central question: should a society arm robots or drones of an army or the police or not? We have 4 different types of fields in this content field and 4 different groups. One group is concerning with legal issues. A second group is a technical group. This group creates this robot and this remote control. A third group is dealing with aesthetical concerns, and the fourth group is about the topic economic arguments. In this playlist I want you to present this project, and if you like it, look at the other videos. We have a video where I explain this robot. You can see the robot in action, and you can see the discussion. We use the tool Kialo to present the pros and cons in this discussion. And one group is presenting the legal issues in a presentation, and you can have a look at all of these parts of the project, and if you want, have a look at it.